Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, we have some surprise pennies to talk about. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded one video this morning going over all of the 90% off items, plus some more penny updates. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. I also uploaded a giant glitch list with over 50 glitches yesterday evening. Now the thing is with YouTube, sometimes they will not send out notifications if you are uploading multiple videos within a 24-hour period. So I just want to make sure that everybody knows about those videos. If you have not watched them yet, please go and check them out. And please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave a smile in the comment section below. Those things really do help me out more than you guys realize. So if you guys want to continue to see more and more deals on this channel, you have to help your girl out. Don't forget to do all the little things. It really does add up and help me out tremendously. Now, on to the next thing. I did upload some run glitch deals on Sunday, and then I also uploaded our normal clearance markdown and penny list video as well. So if you are looking for more penny items, clearance markdowns, deals, run glitches, all of that will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. A couple of quick reminders. Do not forget, with food items, you definitely want to make sure that you are checking the expiration dates. If the cashiers notice that it is expired, they do not have to sell it to you, even for a penny, alright? So check your expiration dates, and also keep in mind that your miles may vary on this list. I have checked a ton of items today at two different stores in my area. At one store, these items have pennied out. At the other store, they are still sitting at their clearance price. So make sure that you put in these UPC codes into your Dollar General app before you head out. I don't want anybody wasting gas. So make sure that these items are a penny at your store before you head out this morning. All right, first up, we have the Dove Promises Milk Chocolate Peg Bags. The UPC code is on your screen. All right, next up, we have the Turkey Creek Cheddar Bombs. So these are like little Cheetos, 3.25 ounce bags. Now these were normally up near where the peanuts and the trail mix are. So check there as well as in your clearance section. And again, make sure you double check those expiration dates. Next up, we have the Blazing Hot Turkey Creek Cheddar Bombs, 3.25 ounce bag. UPC code is on the screen. Next up, we have the Tillamook Country Smoker Zero Sugar Original Smoked Sausage. This is a 4-ounce bag. UPC code is on your screen. And remember that these items did not come out on a Dollar General memo, so the managers and the employees do not know that these items have pennied out today. Next up, we have the Tillamook Country Smoker Zero Sugar Teriyaki Beef Jerky. This is in a 2.2-ounce bag. We also have the Tillamook Old Fashioned Beef Jerky. This is in a 2.5-ounce bag. Next up, we have the Act 2 Buttery Kettle Corn. This comes in a little box. It is a 3-count box. All right, up next, we have the Planters Hot and Spicy Cashews. This is a 6-ounce bag. Now, this is what they have pictured in the Dollar General app. However, when I went into the store, this is what I found. So it's a much darker blue bag, and the picture on the front is a little bit different. So I wanted to include both visuals just in case. All right, up next we have the Seton Farms Pistachio Nut Mix. This comes in a 4-ounce bag. And then we also have the Seton Farms Dark Chocolate Nut Mix, also in a 4-ounce bag. Unfortunately, I do not have a picture for the dark chocolate one, but I can tell you the packaging is very, very similar. Now, here's one more that I do not have a picture for. It is on the Sweet Baby Ray's Hot Sauce Beef Jerky. This is in a 2.6-ounce bag. I am going to look through my pictures and see if I can find both of those that I'm missing. If I can find them, I will post those in the community tab. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have the Visine Original Redness Relief Eye Drops, 0.5 fluid ounces. The UPC code is on your screen. Now, it seems like I remember some Visine pennying out not too long ago, so this may be an older penny item. So if it is, please forgive me, but it is in fact still a penny. So while you're out there, be on the lookout for this Visine. included an older penny item in last week's video, and that was on the Centrum Minis. And a couple of people ended up finding those and taking advantage of the overage. So I'm happy that I included those older penny items. You just never know what you're going to find until you get out there and start looking. All right, guys, so there you have it for our surprise pennies for today. I wish each and every one of y'all good luck, and make sure that y'all stay tuned. Turn on those notifications, make sure that they are set to all, and also make sure that you're checking back in with our community page, because I will be posting some updates over there as well. So that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Before you go, don't forget to do all the things: subscribe, notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.